Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome back to Nageshwari's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you sago murukku, that is sabudana murukku or tapioca pearls murukku. It's a very tasty snack and I have posted already almond murukku, roasted gram dal murukku, butter murukku. There are more varieties of murukkus in my channel as well. If you missed watching those videos, I will give you the link in the description box below. Please have a look and try this sabudana murukku as well. Let's get into the video. Before that, if you are watching Nageshwari's kitchen for the first time, please subscribe to Nageshwari's kitchen and press the notification bell symbol. You will get notified whenever I post my new videos. Let's get into the video. Take 1 cup of sabudana javarsi. So I'm using rice cooker cup. For this murukku, the measurement is very important. So measure it properly. Whatever the cup you use, we are going to use the same cup to measure the rice flour. So take 1 cup of sabudana, that is tapioca pearls, and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Mix this together. I have not added any water, just mixed with the yogurt. So this is thick yogurt. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of water. If you are having the normal yogurt, you don't have to do this. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water. Mix this. This consistency is perfect. Cover this and keep aside for at least 6 to 8 hours. So I'm mixing this in the night and I will do this tomorrow morning. Let's check the sabudana. This is nearly 8 hours now. I soaked yesterday night. Should be like this. When you press, it should mash it. That's the consistency. Take this into a blender. Along with this, I'm adding around 6 green chilies. You can adjust it according to your taste. Add some water and grind it into a fine paste. It should be fine paste, otherwise it will stuck into the mold. So the paste is ready, the sabudana paste is ready here. So yesterday I measured in this cup 1 cup of sabudana. So in the same cup I am taking 5 cups of rice flour. This is store bought rice flour. To this add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, some salt. Mix the dry ingredients first. Now add the sabudana and yogurt mix. Mix all these together. Now add water little by little and mix like a chapati dough. To To this add 2 tablespoons of butter. I actually forgot to add. You can add this when we mix the flour itself. Today I'm adding green chili for spiciness. You can add red chili powder also, but this is sabudana murukku. So if it is a light color, it will be looking good also. The taste also will be different if you use green chili. So it's up to you whether. If you don't like the butter, you can add hot oil. The dough is ready, so the consistency should be like this. Now let's heat the oil. Today I am taking this 3-star mold. You can use whatever shape you like. Don't use the small hole one because we are using cumin seeds, so it will stuck into these small holes. So try to use slightly bigger holes. Cover this. This is ready. Let's start to fry. Take enough oil to deep fry the muruku. Keep everything ready. So I'm going to use this. Keep everything ready. Check the oil. It's heated up.
என்ன செய்த
முறுக்கு
முருகா அப்புறம் இது பண்ணுமா
இது வந்து when you press the murukku dough into the oil try to overflow. Try to use the bigger pan or wait for a few seconds. The oil will go down, then you can add in more. So, or you can do small batches at one time. So I'm preparing this.
Why do you need to do that? Is that white? Is it ready? Does it have to be white or does it have to be brownish? Ooh, முறுக்கு.
So corona hairstyle.
What?
We are not able to cut his hair. It's grown so big. Look at it.
Like here.
So
Wait, hang on. Pause
Look.
the video. Look at this hair.
போதும்
You look like.
But this hairstyle also looks good, Kanna.
Like this, it looks good. Oh, that's
I think
wet.
my husband is going to trim his hair soon.
It's so satisfying.
இது என்ன பண்ற?
முறுக்கு.
முறுக்கா?
ஆயில் போகுது.
போ அந்த பக்கம். If the dough is dried out or if the dough is too tight, you can always add little bit of water. The dough should be soft, not too tight dough. If it is too tight, you will not get the shape and also it's hard to press. So try to add little bit of water when it is required. If the dough is really hard or dry, so don't worry if it's getting dry or anything. So just add few spoons of water and mix it well. So it will be all right.
இரு இது ஆயில் ரைஸ் ஆகுதுல்ல ஸோ அது வந்து கொஞ்சம் கீழே டவுன் ஆகணும் இல்லைன்னா வந்து ஓவர்ஃப்ளோ ஆகும்.
Like the oil fell last time.
ம்
Why do you need to blow it? Can I try folding?
நோ நோ நோ
Because the oil might burn you.
சரிங்க.
Whoa. Whoa. Yes, you guys. That is oh wow.
I have already posted more varieties of murukku in my channel. Butter murukku, poha murukku, pottukadla murukku, that is roasted gram murukku, almond murukku, I think save, besan flour murukku. I think more varieties I have posted already. I will give you the link in the description box below so you can check it out. So it's a lockdown time. Please prepare more snacks for your kids. Do not buy from outside. Always try to make at home. It will be tasty and also healthier.
Once the oil, the bubbles are stopped, so that means this is done. You can transfer this.
But Amma, doesn't it need to look yellow?
This is sabudana and we didn't add the chili powder. We used green chilies. So this one will not be like a brown color like the normal murukku. This one will be like a golden color only.
Oh.
Okay. So let's transfer this.
Into the bowl. So these ones are the normal murukku. This is a green chili one. Is it?
If you tried any other new recipes and if your kids loved it, please share that in the comment section below. Then I will try that as well. So kids are at home. It's a lockdown time. They always wanted to have something new.
It tastes so good and it's so crunchy. I feel like I can eat all of this.
Okay. Thank you, Tanesh. Sabudana murukku is ready. That is javarisi murukku is ready.
It's so crunchy.
This is really good. It's a different flavor from the normal murukku. It's so good.
You haven't done a murukku video in a long time.
Yeah. So the kids' school holidays started. So I'll be preparing more snacks in future videos. I hope you like this video. If you do, please thumbs up and share with your friends. Please subscribe to Nageshwari's Kitchen. I will see you on another video. Bye.